The Colorado Avalanche and the Dallas Stars face off tonight in Game 6 of the Stanley Cup playoffs. The Dallas Stars currently lead the series 3-2. The question on hockey fans' minds everywhere is if the Avs can push a Game 7. That question will be answered when puck drops at 8. The Dallas Stars lost on Monday against the Colorado Avalanche in Game 5, are the first on the scoreboard with a goal by Miro Heiskanen. However, the Colorado Avalanche's Nikita Zadorov put pucks beyond the net, which ended up tying up the game. Rookie Cale Makar scored his 4th goal of the playoffs, making the Avs take their first lead in the game. Colorado Avalanche's captain, Gabriel Landeskog, took a skate right above the knee by teammate Cale Makar. However, he did not return to the game. The scoring opportunities for the Colorado Avalanche did not stop, as Mikko Rantanen and Nathan MacKinnon scored in the 3rd period. The Avalanche take Game 6 and force a Game 7.